Hello everyone again. Welcome to this channel. Share your story, Ronnie Harabel. If it is not subscribed to this my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for the new upload video to my content. But if you want to, if you like it, then like the comment, and if you want to support, comment in the comment section that I may know who are really supporting my channel. Either way, it's a long time that I did not upload or any content I have for almost 2 weeks, I think. But here we go, and this is the most problem today. What's happened? The word scam.
Awesome!
Scam? Oh, because I just want to share with you today about a story. A million of pieces was wow. Whew.
Awesome!
So I just want to share now, because um, almost this scammer or those people are wanted to easy money and just to mm, um, the way they how they scam. But that's why I'm gonna show you to you tonight or today because we have our friends and our brothers and sisters also and other church and that are really struggling about this scamming, and it's called about trade, not networking. Oh, trade networking, trade networking. So this is terrible what happened because a million pieces was destroyed, was scammed by those people are just to own for easy money, and now and I just want to share with you because it was happened to all the religious group or in the Christians communities. So um, that's a problem because and it's not good to hear about the situation because of much of people today. So a lot of people are now scammed because of this strategy of the scammers. So we call this trade networking. So did you know about the trade working uh, network, trade networking? So people miss about this strategy. I understand about the trading is good and the way you are, you can find any platform or apps just like or just Gcash or coins.ph or whatever. They have also then they are changing their money from the Bitcoin and also the way how to play for that how to trade it. But when it comes to trading, remember there's always a loss and there's always a win. So you are playing something um, the way I don't know it's good this, but for me I think we need to understand about the word trading. So most people are now on this way to how to play, how to increase their money through trade. But sad to say, this one is a very worst thing what happened. But before we go that, okay, we will study first the kinds of networking. All right, I have a copy here. Number one, the types of the professional business networking. So this is a profession or business networking. So number one is there are some strategies to building a career focus connection to exchange, right? Opportunities and the information. So it needs of a lot of studies before you are going to join in this trading. um, because there's a lot of people also are really, if they know the strategy, they will be, it's a good way. But if not, you will lose it. But here we go. Before we go to the scamming of this trade, because a lot of millions was now invest, but they lost everything. They sell their own, their things, their houses, their lands, their cars, just to invest on this side of trade working. So here, before we go that, and we will proceed first, the types of the professional or business networking. Number one is industry specific. Okay, industry specific events. So what is the industry specific events? Conferences, trade shows. Okay, conferences, trade shows, and seminars where professionals meet, learn, and discuss industry trends. So meaning they know how to, they study well before, just like industry. So we know about the industry. So see, this that we call the specific events. So they are watching what will happen to their trading or their investment. Number two is social media online networking. Okay, social media online networking. So using platforms like LinkedIn, okay, LinkedIn or online forums or Slack, okay, Slack channels to connect with peers and industry experts virtually. So meaning they have actual or virtual how to manage about the networking. Number three is casual contact networking. Casual contract. So meaning it's a contract networks, groups that allow people with similar or similar profession to connect informally, such as industry interrupts or mixers. So that's type of a casual contact networking. Number number four is strong no, yes, strong contact networks, small curated groups focused or on sharing referrals and high level business. Okay, ideas, example, chambers of commerce. They know about the studying about the strategy how to trade it. So that is a strong contact connect network, meaning it's a physical way, physical, or you know what's going on how you treat it. So number five is community service clubs or clubs, community service clubs, networking through charity work, local community and involvement. Okay, so that's a group of people are now getting on that community or service clubs just to multiply their business. And of course, the last one is informational interviews. So one-on-one meetings to learn to experience professional in a specific. I think this is the last one. Is I like it. So informational interviews. It's need to be studied now about this what happening. They're trading. So and how they scam of my some of people are now actually they are really religious group and scammers using using the pastors, using the church, using the religious groups because they know, yeah, the pastors and the whatever are they are only by, yeah, I don't know why I cannot judge, but why they don't have they don't study well what is the trade. So the scammers, the syndicate are now on that part. They use they use the pastors and religious group, the religious leaders, just to um, their members will be joined with them to the pastor. That's why I'm very sorry to tell you today because it's really happened. And this uh, last month, and a lot of people are really struggling because of, yeah, because they sell their properties, they sell their their things, whatever they had, so they sell it just to invest something to the trade networking. Now, what happened to that? Here we go. So this tickets, or the pastors are using by the scammers just to their members will join also to them. And this trade networking supposed to be, I just want I read this kinds of types of types of trading. But I think here we go. I can relate here in the strong contact networks. I think on the word small curated groups focus on sharing referrals and high level business ideas. So the word referrals, these are very dangerous. So what happened for them, that why a lot of money and much of money and uh, a million of pesos was yeah, they lost a lot of money because of this networking trade. Because why the word referrals? Anyway, somebody was coming to me also for that, and they presented me to that about the networking, about the A and B side by side. So I always question when they present me to that. But the one thing I asked them, so how can they know if they are win or they are lost? So how can they know how uh, for example the item, we need to see the item, the actual on the day, how to the item is getting win or loss. But here we go, practice the real trading is, I think, is good. But the problem of this networking trade is they using about the word referrals, which is downlines. So A and B, and but there's no item just to say, to show, or you are really win or loss. Maybe they use something that they are win or not. But they cannot be win. They cannot be receive. Okay, the real winning strategy, because they only have get a salary for all for their downlines. If they have if they have an invite, okay, if they have an invite A and B, then they will get a salary. But there's always level. How many level they need to have their downlines before they get a salary of 70,000. But because yeah, that's the real scammer strategy. So they're using the pastors, and the pastors are, well, their members will be going to their downlines, okay, under A and B. But this strategy, the pastors are really invest also. They do A and B downlines, okay, and their own selves, because they can get an I think how many accounts they um, their own, so it can be more multiply of their income through invitation, not by trading strategy. Oh, grabe. So that's really is coming. So the pastors is the head. For example, the pastor is the head, and he going to use another, buy another accounts A and B for the downline. Their family, then also the members down to their downlines too, as referrals. That's a problem. Then, but there's no items to show, or they are really win loss. They, if there is, but if they show a trading, but it's not real, okay, because the only can get a salary or through their investment is only by their downlines, not by trade. All right. Oh no. So that's what I'm going to share with you. So that's why a lot of the members are really struggling because they lost a million of pesos, thousands of money, and they sell their houses, they sell their properties, they lend to the bank and to borrow the bank and to guarantee or some of their things or their lot or their properties just to have money to invest on the side of network trade scam. So they lost, and I really I really saw them in actual. They are really struggle, almost lost their peace of mind. You know why? Because of the scamming strategy to the trade networking. So I'm very sorry for that. But the pastors really got much of money in enjoy now, but their members are really struggling for that. I'm very sorry to share with you, but that's very true. I am also a pastor. They lay down me to this, but I didn't accept. I reject it because in my mind this is a scam. So I share with you because it is a really actual what happened in our communities, in other churches, and in other religious group. I really show it to you. They use the pastors just to scam more people. Oh, so anyway, that's I'm gonna share with you. I hope if somebody will come to you and this kind of trade and networking, even they will show you, they will show about the thing strategy, but that not really at actual. They remember you can only have a salary is only for mm, an invitation. Well, then this is Pastor Ronnie Harbel, or the Share Your Story Ronnie Harbel. And if you want to support me, just to update my video, subscribe my channel, and of course, click the notification bell. If you like this my content, then you can like and then comment to the comment section if you want my support too. Okay, if you have a channel too. Thank you so much for all the viewers. Thank you for passing by. I hope you are enjoy your pick. Again, see you in the next upload video. Share story. Share your story, Ronnie Harbel. Bye bye.